Before language, there was the body. Before fashion, there was gesture.
Every garment begins as an idea. Every silhouette is a memory in motion.
Cloth remembers, stone remembers, light remembers.
The body is the first museum. The skin is the first canvas. Movement is the first architecture.
Beauty lives between presence and absence, between shadow and light, between what is revealed and what remains imagined.
A fold can preserve a century. A thread can carry a civilization. A silhouette can outlive an empire.
We do not simply wear clothing. We inherit stories. We inhabit memory.
It is language. It is a ritual. It is identity becoming visible.
Every culture dresses its dreams. Every generation returns the human form.
The body changes.
The garment changes. Art remains. Silence remains. Memory remains. Walk slowly.
Look carefully. Every object is still alive.
This is not a collection, it is 5,000 years of humanity. Learning how to become art.
Welcome to the Metropolitan Museum of Art. Most fashion exhibitions tell the history of style. Costume art does something very different. It tells the story of the human body. That may sound like a subtle distinction. It isn't. Andrew Bolton, curator in charge of the Costume Institute, has changed the question entirely. Instead of asking, how did fashion evolve? He asks, how has fashion shaped the way we understand ourselves? That shift changes everything. As these images appear by my side or after my video, they are never simply about clothes. Each one is part of a conversation between fashion and sculpture, fashion and painting, fashion and photography, across 5,000 years of history. An ancient Greek figure, a Renaissance engraving, a contemporary silhouette, they speak the same visual language, not because they belong to the same period, but because they explore the same body. Sometimes that body is ideal, sometimes it's fragile, sometimes pregnant, sometimes transformed, sometimes even confronted with mortality. The exhibition is not organized around designers, it is organized around human experience. This is what makes it so compelling. The garments become evidence, the artworks become witnesses. Together, they ask a simple question: has fashion ever really been about clothing, or has it always been about identity? The images you are seeing in a while are provided by the Metropolitan Museum of Art for editorial coverage of course, this outstanding exhibition. And so I had the opportunity to appreciate these individual masterpieces, but also the extraordinary dialogue created inside these new galleries. So don't look at each image in isolation. Look at the connection. Look at the centuries collapsing into a single moment, because the exhibition is not asking us to admire fashion, it's asking us to rethink the human body through fashion. And that is a very different conversation. Enjoy the journey. This is Simona Cochi, The Italian Way. Keep on staying tuned and follow me.
We're juxtaposing historical artworks with striking fashion items to explore how we view the human form. Think of this exhibition as a time-traveling mirror for the human silhouette. So how exactly does historical art dictate modern fashion? Well, let's walk through these 7 amazing pairings. First, Adam and Eve by Albrecht Dürer from 1504 is paired with the 2009 Walter van Beirendonck ensemble, really getting down to the naked body. Second, terracotta statuette of Nike from the late 5th century BCE sits right beside a 1920s Fortuny Delphos gown for the classical body. Third, impression of Amélie de Montfort by Jean-Baptiste Carpeaux from 1867 to 1869 is grouped with an 1875 Mon Vignon evening dress and a 1947 Charles James Bustle muslin, representing the abstract body. Fourth, La Poupée by Hans Belmer from 1936 is contrasted with Ray Kawakubo's 2017 Comme des Garçons ensemble for the reclaimed body. Fifth, Eleanor by Harry Callahan from 1949 aligns perfectly with Georgina Godley's 1986 pregnancy dress to highlight the pregnant body. Sixth, Plate 33 in Govard Bidlow from 1728 matches up with Renata Buzo's 2025 corset Anatomia to showcase the anatomical body. Finally, Gyosai sketchbook from 1881 couples with Riccardo Ticci's 2010 Givenchy Haute Couture ensemble to wrap things up with the mortal body. By bridging centuries of art and apparel piece by piece, this exhibition proves that our interpretation of the human form is constantly evolving.